Okay, good morning. This meeting, as we have discussed before in our previous meeting about the idea of the new product sales, today we will continue the discussion with some resolution that can be done following our decision. I want to take a moment to introduce our team. I'm Shiva as a guide in this meeting, and there are Mr. Abidin as a production division, and Mr. Aldi from the IT division, and Miss Lina as the financial division, Miss Eka as the marketing division. On the agenda, we have another thing to discuss, such as the first product will be produced, strategy of our sales, capital budget, and others. What the company needs to support our sales. First, I will listen the progress from Mr. Abidin as the production division. Have you got the right vendors and supplier to work with our company? And what is our production target for first production?
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Siva, for the opportunity that you have given. On this occasion, I will convey related to the production plan that I have followed up to the vendor. From the information that I have received from the shipment, the raw materials are predicted will be delayed due to the number of road closures in several cities. Uh, but we have already dealt with the purchase of raw materials to other vendors as long as shipping supplies have not arrived. Then, for the raw material plan that we will use in the first production activity is cotton cloth and silk fabric as material for making shirts and hijab with several color variants. Because of this, raw materials are already available in our warehouse. Furthermore, the number of uniform we will make is around 1,500 pieces with an estimated time of 20 work days.
Okay,
Okay, I
thank
think enough
you.
for me.
Thank you, Mr. Abidin, for the explanation. Please, others, if you have question, can be asked to Mr. Abidin.
Okay, let me ask to Mr. Abidin. For the purchase raw materials from other vendors, did you find this with the same price range according to the initial plan using the vendor of our choice yesterday, Mr. Abidin?
Hmm, okay, thank you, Mrs. Lina. For the price of raw material that we get from a replacement vendor is about 22 million. The price is 3 million cheaper than the cost of the primary vendor because these raw materials are all used stock.
Okay, Mr. Abidin, thanks for the answer. So the conclusion, we will be more fortunate if you use this vendor. Maybe in the future, we can calculate to use these materials in this vendor because the price is quite low. But it still has to be of the same quality, sure. Thank you, Mr. Abidin.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Lina.
Okay, from the production division, it's clear and there's no need to ask anymore. So we continue about the progress of the finance division. Mrs. Lina, how to plan the initial funding budget for our company capital, and what are the requirements if included in the list of funding for the needs of company asset? Please, Mrs. Lina, let's explain your opinion.
Thank you, Miss Siva. From the planning I have made, the estimate funds we need are 100 million in the initial stage. Funds will allocate to purchase sewing machine, fabrics, threads, as well as several other sewing equipment. From my estimate, We will need as many as 10 sewing machine to start the process. And I agree with the fabric choice that Mr. Abidin said. Incidentally, I have also searched and calculate the price range of this fabric. Following the budget for the materials we will use, Icon will reach 25 million because we need 10 meters for its colors that we chose yesterday meeting. Purchase of sewing machine and other sewing equipments amounting 35 million rupees. The rest of our initial capital will use as emergency money. After 1 month of running, we must be able to collect it as much as 50 million rupees. And for the return of capital, in my planning, after 3 months of running, the new money can be collected. Will condition our sales target is 1,700,000 per day. This value can we get by swelling t-shirt, hijab, and confection service that we have. I think enough from me. Thank you, Miss Iva.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lina, for the explanation. Anyone want to ask Miss Lina?
Okay. Well, based on the budget that will be used to purchase sewing machine for making border on our shirt and hijab, from the production team requires one type of border tools with border machine specification, especially namely XNBBK, the type which after I surveyed in the different place, it will be imported from Malaysia is under 5 million. Is our budget still enough to be the same machine, Mr. Selina?
Sorry, Mr. Abidin. I think there will be swelling, sir. If you have to buy an other machine at that price, not to mention we have to pay shipping costs, which are certainly not cheap because of different countries. Maybe you can find another vendor to purchase this butter machine, sir.
I agree with Ms. Lina. Maybe Mr. Abidin can find another solution, such as finding a vendor who can rent out the border machine. So our production costs will be more efficient. And for the marketing team, we want to put some ads on social media with an estimate budget around 2 million for 2 months. Is our budget enough to place ads, Ms. Lina?
Uh, I think I have provided a budget for advertising, Miss Eka. And this is our big medium to attract customers, so the necessary costs are available, Miss Eka.
I
Okay.
agree with Miss Eka and Miss Lina. For a new company, we must think carefully about spending costs so that expense do not swell, but must still pay attention to quality. Maybe we should use the service of vendors who can rent out machine or buy some used machine at an affordable price, but can still works well, so that our product cost will be more efficient.
Mm, okay, I will first consider whether to rent or buy a border machine. Okay, thank you, Mrs.
Can I ask a question to Miss Lina? What about IT budget, like our website need to improve the server? Is the budget already provided for this or it haven't?
Sorry for this, Mr. Aldi. I haven't provided the budget needed because I don't know in detail what the required by IT division. Maybe in the next meeting we can discuss it again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you to Miss Lina. I think it's quite clear. Next, we move to Miss Eka as the marketing division. And what do you think about the strategy that we will use to market our products, Miss Eka? Please explain your progress and opinion.
Okay, thank you, Miss Iva. I will explain about the marketing plan and turnover calculation that we have updated again. As previously explained by Ms. Lina, the future sales target of 50 million rupiah with the product target that will be selling is t-shirt and hijab. We will plan to sell 350 pieces of t-shirt and with selling price is 100,000 rupiah per piece and a profit is and a profit is 2,500 per piece. For the hijab, we plan to sell 300 pieces at the selling price is 50,000 rupiah and the profit is 15,000 rupiah per piece. For the selling detail, we will focus on 75 of sales in our store, both of our website and our offline store. Well, for 25%, we will sell in the other online marketing such as Shopee, Blibli, and Tokopedia. We have started the marketing and promotion process for this product. Some poster and short video are in the finishing stage and will be ready to present the details at the progress next week. For the price, we will equalize all price both in our own store or in our marketplace. But we would like to propose some additional feature related to our website. And we hope that our customers are more interested in buying on our website. Many of our customers complain about the payment process. So their order process will also take a long time. We hope that the customer order can be processed as quickly as possible, so the goods can be received by customer directly. For this reason, we need to change the payment process on our website. That's all the explanation and progress from marketing team. I invite Ms. Siva to continue on the next session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Eka, for the explanation. Please, others, if you have question, can be asked to Miss Eka.
Okay, I have some question for Mrs. Eka. Thank you for the explanation. Related to the delay in the delivery of raw materials and the limitation of the ginger machine that I have started at beginning. So that we are only able to produce 1,500 pieces of hijab and shirt. Is there a specific strategy for the initial product marketing plan because the supply of raw material doesn't arrive on time? Mrs. Eka, thank you.
Okay, relate to these problems, in my opinion, it will be difficult if we have to postpone the sale of products. Maybe we should find another solution so that we have to produce at least half of the target goods. Or any other solution, we have to replace the sales by purchase of the system, where the system will be more difficult because we have to produce in accordance by customer orders. And some the raw material we need to be ready and used. That is Mr. Abidin.
Okay, Mrs. Lina, we will try to the maximum effort by producing product according to the target and demand for customers. If there are any problem on production activity, we will immediately convey to you, Mrs. Eka.
Okay, thank you to Miss Eka from the marketing division. In my opinion, what has been explained is clear and there is nothing more to ask. Let's move to IT division. What IT platform and products will we make to support the company online sales, Mr. Aldi?
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you for the opportunity, Ms. Shiva. In my opinion, our website does require significant change, start from payment methods, order tracking system, and user data storage system. For the next development, we want to make new users who do not have an account can facilitate in purchasing item by joining as a guest, so that they do not need to bother by creating an account first. For the other feature that we will develop to increase sales and customer convenience on the website, I think that we will add a live chat feature to which customer will be able to ask us directly through this feature. So if customer want to ask question about our product, we can answer them quickly. And about stock update on the e-commerce account may later be handled manually by the admin. Because right now I haven't yet found the technology to make it auto update. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Aldi, for the explanation. Anyone want to ask Mr. Aldi?
Mr. Aldi, thank you for your insight. It's an appreciate this time. A lot of sellers using online system is so good for me. Whether sellers will be focused through the website, is it possible to make an own app, Mr. Aldi?
I think it's not possible. It's possible to make our own apps. It's just we need the effort to make it our own apps. I think, and we need the other budget to make it efficient. I think we need to focus using the e-commerce that already have provided by the others company.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Aldi, I agree with the addition of the live chat feature. This feature make it very easy for us to respond to user requests or this user question, but this will be difficult if many customers do live chat while our public relation team only consists 2 people. Can we use chatbot like some other website so that our customer can get a quick response and also make easiness to our teamwork? Thank you.
I heard about the bot to respond to customer chat, but I haven't yet researched for it furthermore. So I will make it in the next development. I will search it about the bot first. Thank you for the advice, Miss Eka.
Okay, from me, I agree with the live chat idea that will be developed by IT division. This will facilitate user who have question about our product. And if I may add a suggestion, I hope on our website can make payment online, such as transfer to our bank automatically using a virtual account and GoPay, OVO, or credit card. From me, I think enough. Thank you.
Mr. Aldi, if I may add a suggestion, the website also has a testimonial feature so that customers who are satisfied with our service and products can provide feedback that can be seen by potential buyers and attract others buyers to buy the same product. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for both of you for the great advice. I think I will add those feature or those advice in the next sprint of development. I think that's
Okay.
from me. Thank you.
Okay. Thus, the work meeting this time, hopefully the result achieved can be implemented and run well as we expect to be useful for future progress together. After the session is over, MOM in conclusion will be shared by Miss Lina. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
You're welcome.